loves, welcome back to the Soft Life Collective, the channel for women who are looking to connect with their feminine energy, prioritize self-care, and create a life that's aligned with their true selves. I believe that every woman has the power to live a fulfilling and joyful life, and I'm here to help you do just that. Together, we discuss and explore things like self-care, mindfulness, beauty tips, confidence building, and what it truly means to be and live soft as we embrace a purposeful, intentional, and radiant life. The Soft Life Collective is where you're cherished and supported every step of the way. If you're interested in more videos like this, give me a thumbs up and a pink heart in the comments. Then subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell to get notified when new videos get posted. There's also a whole bunch of resources to help you on your soft life and femininity journey. They're linked down in the description box, so make sure you check that out when you're finished watching. Alright, now cozy on up, grab your tea and snacks, and let's get into today's topic. How to change your life in the next 6 months. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead as you take on a journey of transformation and growth. Today, I'm excited to be sharing some powerful steps to help you create meaningful changes and design the life of your dreams. Let's get right to it, because I know you already like this video and subscribe to the channel, right? Right, okay. Tip number 1, set clear and specific goals. To change your life, start by setting clear and specific goals. Take some time to reflect on what you truly desire and create a vision for your future. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and set deadlines to achieve them within the next 6 months. Having a roadmap will help keep you focused and motivated throughout your journey. Step 2, embrace a positive mindset. A positive mindset is your superpower. Embrace a can-do attitude and replace self-doubt with self-belief. Cultivate a practice of daily affirmations, gratitude, and visualization to keep your spirits high and conquer any challenges that come your way. Remember that your thoughts shape your reality, so choose empowering beliefs that align with your goals. Step 3, create a detailed action plan. This will help you turn your dreams into reality. Outline the specific steps you need to take to achieve each goal and establish a timeline for completion. Be realistic and flexible, allowing room for adjustments along the way. Your action plan will be your guide to progress steadily towards the life that you envision. Tip number 4, take risks and step outside of your comfort zone. We all know that growth happens outside of our comfort zones. So to change your life, be willing to take bold and courageous actions. Embrace new challenges, explore unfamiliar territories, and push yourself beyond self-imposed limits. The magic of transformation lies in your willingness to embrace the unknown and discover your full potential. Step 5, seek inspiration and support. Surround yourself with positive people who inspire you and support you. Seek out mentors, role models, and like-minded individuals who share similar aspirations. Engage in personal development materials, attend workshops, and join communities that uplift and encourage your growth. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. A supportive network can propel you forward. With that being said, make sure that you're subscribed to the Soft Life Collective and hit the little notification bell so you can be notified when new videos go up, and stay connected to the community. Lastly, tip number 6, prioritize self-care and well-being. To create lasting change, prioritize your self-care and your well-being. Nurture your mind, body, and soul through regular exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness practices. Take the time to rest, recharge, and indulge in activities that bring you joy. A strong foundation of self-care will empower you to tackle life's challenges with grace and resilience. With these transformative tips, you're on the path to changing your life in the next 6 months. So get excited. Embrace this journey with courage and determination, and remember that every step forward is a step towards the life that you desire. If you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a pink heart and subscribe to the Soft Life Collective for more Soft Life content. Share your thoughts and experiences, as well as any more tips you might have for the community in the comments below, because we'd love to read them. Until next time, may your next 6 months be filled with growth, joy, and success. Lots of love and empowerment from the Soft Life Collective. I'll talk to you next time.